Perfect bag for packing everyday lunches. 4 pounds Kraft bags made of 100% recyclable material. Great for lighter grocery items, like bagels or hot dogs, and smaller orders at your bakery or cafe. Ideal bag for boutiques, grocery stores, markets, delis, or bakeries. The perfect bag for your everyday lunch use. Each package comes with 100-quart 4 pounds Kraft bags that are a must-have for boutiques, grocery stores, markets, delis, or bakeries. This bag is perfect for lighter grocery items, like bagels or hot dogs, and smaller orders at your bakery or cafe. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for microwave popcorn. I purchased these Perfect Stix 4 pounds brown paper bags to make microwave popcorn snack bags and as lunch bags. These bags work very well for both. First, I carry my lunch in the bag. Second, if the bag stayed clean inside, I microwave the popcorn in the paper bag. I don't add butter while cooking, for a super easy afternoon snack.